This is how to take off captions in Opus Clip. So guys, here on the Opus Clip is of course simply upload your video by providing the link or manually uploading it over here, and just simply click on get clips in one click. And once it is done, it will redirect over here to the all project. So from here, just simply select your video, and from here, this Opus Clip software will make the video into multiple clips. So now just simply select a clip that you prefer and click on edit clip over here. And now from here, guys, you should be able to see here on the right side of the screen a caption. So as you can see, when I play on the video, it has a caption. And when I click on this icon over here beside caption, it will turn off the caption, as you can see. And now that's pretty much it. You can just simply turn this on or turn it off. And now once you are done, make sure to click on save changes over here on the top right corner of the screen. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.